Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn problems on hyperbola. First problem, find the coordinates of the center, length of the axis, length of latus rectum, eccentricity, vertices, and foci of the hyperbola x square by 16 minus y square by 9 equal to 1. You have to find these five values. Okay, coordinates of center, length of axis, length of latus rectum, eccentricity, vertices, foci of the hyperbola. The hyperbola is x square by 16 minus y square by 9 equal to 1. So given x square by 16 minus y square by 9 equal to 1, 16 means 4 square, 9 means 3 square. X square by 4 square minus y square by 3 square equal to 1. It is standard form, equation 1. So compare the given equation 1 with the standard form x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. We get a square equal to 4 square, that is a equal to 4, b square equal to 3 square, that is b equal to 3. And the x square by a square minus y square by b square means the hyperbola like this one. Okay. We have to recall the formulas. So center is 0, 0. A value is 4, B value is 3, center is 0, 0. Next, length of transverse axis means length of that is x axis, length of transverse axis is 2a, that is 2 into 4, 8. And length of conjugate axis 2b, that is 2 into 3 equal to 6. And length of latus rectum formula 2b square by a, b square means 3 square, 2 into 9 by 4, that is 2 1 2 2 that is 9 by 2. Next, eccentricity formula E equal to square root of a square plus b square by a. A square means 16, b square means 9 by 4, 16 plus 9 means 25 by 4, root 25 means 5 by 4, that is the eccentricity E value. And vertices plus or minus a comma 0, that is plus or minus 4 comma 0. And foci plus or minus a comma 0, plus or minus a means 4, e means 5 by 4, 4 cancel, comma 0, that is plus or minus 5 comma 0. This is the force. Okay, first we have to convert the given in the standard form and compare with the standard form x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. We get a value, b value, then apply the formulas. Okay, center and length of transverse axis 2a, length of conjugate axis is 2b, and length of latus rectum is 2b square by a, and eccentricity formula square root of a square plus b square by a, and vertices plus or minus a comma 0 plus foci plus or minus a comma 0. Okay. Next problem, 9y square minus 4x square equal to 36. 9y square minus 4x square equal to 36. Given hyperbola is 9y square minus 4x square equal to 36. We have to convert it into standard form. So divide with 36. So 9y square by 36 minus 4x square by 36 equal to 36 by 36. 36 cancel 1, 9 1 9 4 36, 9 y square by 4, 4 1 4 9 x square by 9 equal to 1. 4 means 2 square, 9 means 3 square. So x square y square by 2 square minus x square by 3 square equal to 1. So compare equation 2 with standard form y square by b square minus x square by a square equal to 1. We get b square equal to 2 square, that is b equal to 2, a square equal to 3 square, that is a equal to 3. B value is 2 and a equal to 3. And this, it is second standard form of the hyperbola, means like this, it will looks like this. So its formulas, it is hyperbola. It is center 0, 0. Length of transverse axis means y-axis. Length of transverse axis is 2b, 2 into 2, 4. And length of conjugate axis, length of conjugate axis 2a, 2 into 3, that is 6. Okay, next, length of lattice rectum. Length of lattice rectum 2a square by b, that is 2 into a square means 3 square by 2, 2 cancel, b means 2, that is 9. Next, length of eccentricity formula, square root of b square plus a square by b. B square means 4 plus a square means 9 by 2, square root of 4 plus 9 means root 13 by 2. And vertices 0 comma plus or minus b, that is 0 comma plus or minus 2, b value is 2. And foci is 0 comma plus or minus be, that is 0 comma plus or minus 2 into root 13 by 2, 2 cancel, 0 comma plus or minus root 13 is the focus of the eccentricity. So same formulas, apply the formulas and substitute. Next, homework problems. X square by 16 minus y square by 25 equal to 1. 4x square minus 9y square equal to 36. Okay, do this two problems. Okay, next problem. Find the equation of the rectangular hyperbola whose focus is the point 3, 1 and directrix is 4x plus 3y minus 2 equal to 0. Means we have to find rectangular hyperbola. What is the rectangular hyperbola? Rectangular hyperbola means whose eccentricity is root 2, means e equal to root 2. We have to take e equal to root 2 and given focus 3, 1, that is x1, y1. x1 equal to 3, y1 equal to 1 and directrix 4x plus 3y minus 2 equal to 0. If we compare with ax plus by plus c equal to 0, a equal to 4, b equal to 3, c equal to minus 2. Okay, and eccentricity, rectangular hyperbola, therefore eccentricity is root 2. Now the formula for the finding equation of hyperbola whose focus is x1, y1 and directrix is ax plus by plus c equal to 0 with eccentricity e. This x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square equal to e square into ax plus by plus c whole square by a square plus b square. So we have to substitute all these values, x1 value, y1 value, e value, a, b, c values in this equation. We get the equation of the rectangular hyperbola. So x1 equal to 3, y1 equal to 1, a equal to 4, b equal to 3, c equal to minus 2, e equal to root 2. Substitute values, x minus x1 means x minus 3 whole square plus y minus y1, y minus 1 whole square equal to e square root 2 whole square, ax plus by plus c whole square means 4x plus 3y minus 2 whole square by a square 4 square plus b square means 3 square. So simplification, we get x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square root 2 whole square means square root cancel 2, 4x plus 3y minus 2 whole square by 4 square means 16, 3 square means 9, 16 plus 9 means 25, 25 will be cross multiplication, 25 into x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square equal to 2 into 4x plus 3y minus 2 whole square. So simplification, we get this is a minus b whole square, that is 25 into x square minus 6x plus 9, a minus b whole square, y square minus 2y plus 1, and next here a minus a plus b plus c whole square formula, 2 into 16x square plus 9y square plus 4 plus 24xy minus 12y minus 16x, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, here c equal to minus 2, the two terms will be negative. So multiply with 25, we get 25 into x square, 25x square, 25 into y square, 25y square, 25 into 6 minus 150x, 25 into 2 minus 2y 50y, 25 into 9 plus 1 10, 25 into 10 250. So multiply with 2, we get 32x square plus 18y square plus 8 plus 48xy minus 24y minus 32. So bring one side, I am taking these all terms to RHS, 32x square minus 25x square, 7x square, and this 25y square, 18y square minus 25y square means minus 7y square, and 48xy is same as it is. If 150x goes to this one, it becomes a plus 150x minus 32 means plus 118x, minus 50y comes to this side, plus 50y minus 24y means 26 plus 26y, and 250 becomes, it will come this side, minus 250 plus 8, so minus 242 equal to 0. It is the equation of the rectangular hyperbola. So here only one point here given, rectangular hyperbola means we have to take E equal to root 2 remaining focus and directrix and substitute in this formula. Okay, next homework problem. Focus is 1 comma minus 5 and directrix is x plus y plus 3 equal to 0, same model, and focus is 1 comma 2 and directrix is 3x plus 4y minus 5 equal to 0. Okay, do this homework problems. Okay, go through the video and complete your homework problems and complete your paid notes. If you have any doubts, please send me a message or call to me. Thank you.